Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am so excited because this is the first time I've gotten the Curator box early with the influencer boxes. Normally I release this to you guys after everybody's already posted there, so I'm very excited to be one of the early releasers because this is the new version of the Box of Style by Rachel Zoe. And it is a very chic fashion-based box and I absolutely love it. So I feel, I don't know, very special getting to be one of the launchers for the summer 2021 box. This is a quarterly box at $99.99 per quarter. In this box, there are 5 items with the value over $425. So I reviewed the spring box and you can check it out up here. And although it was well over $100 value, I didn't quite think it matched the value that they gave it at like $350 or something. So I'm very interested to see once I look in here if I think it's worth $425 for 5 items. So how it works is they deliver 5 seasonal essentials from wearables to skincare to beauty, and each piece is perfect for elevating your wardrobe, your summer routines. Like, it's all curated around the season and the current trend. And every box I've ever gotten was spot on. I don't want to dig too far into my notes because it kind of talks about what's in here and I don't really know what's in here. You do get to curate one of the items in the box, and I got to choose between the Walter Baker Tulum Captain or the Walter Baker Cozumel Towel, and I went not for the towel, I went for the Captain. So I am excited to see what that looks like. All right, this is what I see on top. Looks like we have a bag, a very cute bag, by the way. Oh yeah, and everything's inside of it. So there's nothing else left here. So how I believe this works is when you sign up for this box, the first box you get is the welcome box. And then you fall into queue for all the seasonal box. And the welcome box is a mix of the best items from the year given to you right out the gate. And then you start each of the customized, curated boxes. I love this bag. Love this bag. So it has a retail value of $105, and you can see the tag here. They do have, Rachel Zoe has an entire store online. And so if you're a Curated member, you can do the add-on shop and add things in. I think all of the shipping for the stuff you add on is free. But since she has a full brand, a full retail everything, these are not necessarily fictitious values, but these are the values if you were to go like pick this up in her store. So this bag, if y'all look inside, is black. The top is like a faux leather or a vinyl, and then it's cloth on the inside of the bag. It's very lightweight. It has great pockets, 2 exposed pockets and a zipper pocket, and then it's very much like a bucket bag. I am absolutely loving this. I would probably, it doesn't have feet on the bottom, so I would probably Scotch guard this just to make sure that I don't ruin it like on the first time I take it somewhere. But very cute. Okay, so I am guessing this is the item I got to choose. The towel was really cute. I was stuck for a little bit, but at the end of the day, I use towels occasionally, but anything I can layer with, I use all the time, and I think this would be so cute over my swimsuit. Oh yeah, this is going to be perfect over my swimsuit. So cute, so light. It's got a great tropical print. It is quite long. Oh my gosh, yes you guys. So the Tulum Captain in tropical print, retail value $198. It does have a tie in the front as you can see here, and it is a great fit. It is a one size fits all. I am typically a size small, so you can kind of see how the fit works here. And then the first thing I do with items like this is see how to wash them, because nothing perturbs me more than to get something like this. It's made to be worn at the beach or over my swimsuit, and then I have to dry clean it. No thank you. And this does say machine wash cold, delicate cycle. Perfect. Okay, next is Marc Jacobs Recover Hydrating Coconut Lip Oil. Oh, it looks like clear mascara. It does not have any scent. It is clear. It goes on and feels like a lip gloss. Nourishing hydration, lustrous shine, and coconut rescue. Now I know some people can't do coconut. Like I have to be careful how much coconut I put in my hair or my hair turns into straw. I've never really used that much coconut on my face. I am excited to give this a try. Okay, next is Golden State Carrot Seed and Rosehip Nourishing Facial Oil. So I'm catching the theme. We got our summer bag, we've got our swimsuit cover up, we've got a lip moisturizer, and now skin protecting. Get that golden hour glow with a luxe nutrient-rich blend of 20 plus oils and extracts, including healing carrot seed and brightening rosehip. So it's antioxidant, it's vitamin-packed, and it's anti-inflammatory. Okay, very cool. Okay, last but not least, we have Melinda Maria. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this. So we still have that chain look, which is a lot like our last box, the earrings and the ring. But can y'all see here? Look how pretty the charm is. I am loving the little touch of blue at the top and the crystal accents. I don't know. I absolutely love, love, love this. Okay, so back to what I mentioned earlier. This box has a $425 value. Do I feel like this is $425? No, I don't. But do I feel like this is worth the $99.99 that I spent? Yes. Yes, 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 which was the case with the last box. I am loving this bag, and this would be a piece I will carry. I am loving the caftan. That is a piece I will wear very often, especially if you've been following my story with my diagnosis of melanoma and now having to hide from the sun more than I've ever hidden from the sun. I've always been, I mean, look at me. I clearly am not a tanning bed or a sun girl. I have to hide even more, so that's really great. I absolutely love the necklace. I don't own anything like it. These are the two that are tripping me up. Since we're moving into summer, I would have thought it would have been a little more focused towards SPF, post-sun care, or pre-sun care. I think a hydrating lip oil is great and a face oil is great, but nowhere does it directly scream these products were curated for summer. These just seem like you could get this at any time of the season, which is fine, obviously. But when I subscribe to boxes like this, when I get this summer box, I want it to be summer centric. So, let's say these are just my opinions. You guys may look at this stuff or maybe already use this stuff and love it and be excited. But is it worth $100? Hands down, yes, yes, yes. Okay, yay, this was a fun one to unbox. If you guys want to try Curateur, go down below and grab my coupon code and use the link to sign up. I am still somewhat new, but I believe you first get that welcome box and then you fall into line with these. And there are two different levels. Icon members have their curations shipped first, and then your month-to-month memberships ship second. So if you're at all thinking I want my items first, I want to choose my curations first, then you're gonna wanna join at an annual. Otherwise, you can go month to month. This was another successful Curateur unboxing. If you guys have not already, go subscribe. That's how you're gonna get the notifications, and we are kicking out a lot of great boxes this summer. I wouldn't want you to miss it. I hope that you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.